Hidden fields are created by pressing record N for non-display. I press the record key, release it, then the letter N. The characters NDS appear in the top line to let you know that everything you key now will not be displayed to the operator. These can be tags and fields. For example, I can type, "This is a hidden field," give it 5 underscores, and none of this will show to the operator in data entry. If I terminate this screen by pressing Help, choosing Terminate, then come back in by choosing Paint the Screen again, I don't see the hidden fields either. This is where item A of the command menu comes into play. Press Function key 2, choose A for non-display, and now the hidden fields display to you, the programmer. The same menu toggles the display off, so you can see what the operator is going to see. That's all there is for keying order. Now for something stickier. I'm going to mention that a programmer can change the keying order to be other than field number order, and I'll show how to do it. However, a demonstration using this feature is reserved for a future lesson. What was that sentence about keying order? Okay, more detail. When you create a screen for your operators, Unibase data entry stops at each field in sequential order, left to right, top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since each field is numbered in the same order, Unibase calls this order of presentation field number order. Occasionally you might design a screen that looks like the form your operators are keying from, but need to have them enter the data in an order other than left to right, top to bottom. Unibase lets the programmer change the keying order if she so desires. This is done by pressing the record correct key combination. When I do, record key followed by correct key, notice that the hidden fields show up, and I get the message, "Must number non-display fields also." This is a reminder that if the programmer changes the keying order, she has to specify the keying order for every data field, not just the ones the operator sees. I press Reset on this message, and I'm told to put the cursor in the first field to be keyed and press Field Release. Let's go ahead and put ourselves in this field that says another blue tag and press the Field Release key. Now it's asking us to do the same thing for field 2. So let's come up to this field, press Field Release. Let's make our hidden field the third keying field. This is the 4th, 5, 6. Notice that it doesn't matter where in the field I am when I press the Field Release. When I'm complete, I get the message, "All fields have been assigned a keying order. Field Release to proceed." So what will this do? When an operator is on this screen, the cursor will first appear in this last field. When he keys it, the cursor moves to this field. When he keys that one, it moves to this field. Wait a minute, what happened to that hidden field? Because it's hidden, the operator never sees it. Though it's the third field in keying order, the hidden attribute says to skip the field and not display it to the operator. When the operator finally gets to the last keying field, but the top field on the screen, Unibase jumps to the next record, and the cursor is back at the beginning of the last field. Wow! Strange feature, but extremely useful in some jobs. We've covered a lot of functions. If you're just starting out, the simplest is the easiest. Just type what you want the operator to see. If it takes a few keystrokes to change it, so what? Nobody's watching you. When you're ready for the more exotic tools, you can find brief descriptions by using the User Help key, Shift F1, and reading the information about painting the screen. Or you can go to the online manuals, where in Volume 1, Chapter 2, and you can page through the information there about changing the screen. I forgot to tell you something. I said I wasn't going to demonstrate this feature yet, so I have to change keying order back to field number order. It's always comforting to know how to say I changed my mind. We'll do our record correct again. Press Reset to get past the first message, and now we'll press the Help to abort. We get the message, all key order values reset to 0, field release to proceed. Press Field Release, and now our record format is back to field number sequence for keying order.